Namaskaram everyone. I am Dilip Kumar Patil, Assistant Professor in the Department of Tourism and Travel, Shanbasa University, Kalburgi. Today I come up with the video on Seychelles, a small nation in the African continent with beautiful nature. So here in the map you can see the location of the Seychelles. It's an archipelago group of 115 islands. Among those 115, Mahe is the largest island, and in that Mahe island you will going to see the capital city of Seychelles, that is the Victoria. So when I talk about the basic information of this Seychelles is the continent, it is the Africa, and English, French and Seychelles Creole, these are the languages spoken by the local people. And longitude and latitudinal extent is, when you talk about longitude, it is 55 degree 49 minutes 20 degree to the east, and latitude is 4 degree 4 degree 67 minutes 96 seconds to the south, and GMT is +4. And when you talk about visa to the Seychelles, is for the Indian citizens it is visa free. Okay, just you have to apply for your passport if you are having a dream to travel to Seychelles. Once you get your passport, you have to book the flight tickets by using various websites. Nowadays there are plenty of websites, okay, through which you can book your flight ticket. You have to book your hotel accommodation, okay, accommodation where you will going to stay in the Seychelles. Okay, so these are the documents which they ask to provide the free visa once you land in there, Victoria. Okay, that is Victoria City, okay, in the Seychelles. So that's about the visa. And sometimes the immigration people, they may ask you regarding the uh, few of the money which you have to keep with you, like $1,000 or €1,000 with you. Okay, so the capital city is Victoria, and that is the largest city, and the Seychelles Seychelles rupee is the currency, and the population is somewhere around 1 lakh, approximate 1 lakh population this Seychelles island is having. And area is also too small, 459 square kilometer area this has. And yeah, and in Seychelles you will going to see n number of Indians, and this is very what I can say, developed country in terms of tourism. The 98% of the local people, they are dependent on the tourism, okay, in the Seychelles. And many of the Tamil people, South Indian people, you will going to see in this Seychelles. Okay, and when you talk about the tourism, what is there to see for your sightseeing? When I talk about Seychelles, it has beautiful islands, and it is no, when I'm talking about islands, it has few of the beaches. When I say beaches, it is all about sun, sand and sea. Okay, and if you are love the adventure, water-based adventure activities, then Seychelles is the best heaven. If you love the birds, bird watching is your hobby, then Seychelles is the best place to visit. All about. So I will we will talk about one by one. Okay, so before moving to that, I will talk about few of the popular, how the packages can be done about this Seychelles. Okay, as I told you, it is popular for its islands. It has three popular islands. One is Praslin, second Ladig and Mahe. Mahe Island, Ladig Island, and Praslin. These are the popular islands of your Seychelles. And according to your interesting place, you can change the places. You can change your days. Okay, so you can spend one night in Mahe, or 2 nights in Ladig, or 2 nights in Mahe and one night in Ladig, or you can keep 3 nights in Praslin, 2 nights in Ladig, and one night in Mahe. It depends on your budget and time available for your tour. Okay. So if I talk about Mahe Island, as I earlier told you, Mahe is the biggest island, and it has its forests, mountains, and it is popular for its 65 beaches. And popular among them is Bu Allen Beach, and as I told you, Mahe, it has the Victoria the capital city of Seychelles, and again Victoria City. It has a number of monuments to watch about. Okay, and popular for its bird watching, photography, and water-based adventure activities. And Ladig, okay, this is uh, inhabited by very few people, that is approximate 2000 people. You can they are staying in Ladig Island. Apart from that, whole island is uninhabited, so this is the best place for your honeymooners or youngsters where they can spend their private time. And next island is Praslin. Praslin is also very beautiful island in the Seychelles. Wherever you see, you will going to see the coco de mer, that is one kind of a coconut tree. Okay, and it has Valley de Mahe UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it apart from that, beautiful beaches and bluish water, white sand beaches, sunset, sunrise. These are the things which you'll going to spot in the islands. And next thing is, okay, if you have more time, more days in the Seychelles, then you can add this bird island to your itinerary. As the name suggests, you will going to see n number of species of birds in this bird island. Next thing is Arad Island. It is also the best island where you can spend your private time, and it is for the nature lovers. And 18 species of seabirds can be spotted in this Arad Island. Yeah, so this is all about the Seychelles and how the packages can be done, and the places to move around in the Seychelles. So see you in next video with a new beautiful country from your African continent. Till then, take care. Bye bye, guys.